exactly what to do.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had an amazing day, too. Ben, what are you doing?
Well, I've heard that God made this incredibly cool creature called a hammerhead shark, so I want to be a hammerhead Ben right now.
Oh, okay. Well, Ben, God made you in an incredible way, just how you are. You don't need to try to be something else, especially since you don't exactly look like a hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks don't have an actual hammer on their head or anything. They do have a T-shaped head, though, that has an eyeball on each side. With a head like that, the hammerhead has to swing its head from side to side in order to see. Thus the name hammerhead shark. It's actually very helpful in spotting animals to eat that way. Now, try biting down on your teeth. You may have some or all of your baby teeth, depending on how old you are. But once you get your adult teeth, you get to keep your teeth. Well, that's not how sharks are. Sharks lose all their teeth all the time. So the hammerhead shark continually grows new ones. In its lifetime, the hammerhead shark may grow and lose several thousand teeth. Can you believe it? Now, try squeezing your wrist. Do you feel the bones in there? You probably feel bones in your arm. Well, guess what? Sharks' bodies don't have bones. Their skeletons are made entirely of something called cartilage. I want you to feel your nose and your ears. That's cartilage. Can you imagine your whole skeleton being made of cartilage?
I can see hammerheads are incredible animals designed by our amazing God.
That is so true. He made them so unique just for them. Yep. And here's Hammer, today's hammerhead shark animal pal. Hammer's head may not be an actual hammer, but he can remind us of a very important spiritual lesson: to nail obedience. Remember Noah, who we talked about today? Well, the Bible says of Noah in Genesis chapter 6, verse 22, "Thus Noah did according to all that God commanded him." So he did. Noah obeyed God and did everything God told him to do. He nailed obedience. And with God's help, so can you and me. Now, let's see what's happening in today's daily drama.
As fish swim, lobsters crawl, jellyfish float, and coral grows, it's just another day in ocean land. Or is it?
Aha! There it is.
Scuba Man!
What is it, Boy Wonder?
It's much worse than I thought. When I scan the entire world, the deception detector goes berserk. Look at this. Fraud, trickery, cheating, forgery, counterfeiting, lying, dishonesty. I can't stand it. Evil is everywhere.
It's not surprising, Boy Wonder. The master deceiver and his evil minions have been working overtime since the Garden of Eden.
It kind of reminds me of what it must have been like in the days of Noah, before the flood, when everyone's thoughts were continually evil all the time. It makes me shudder just to think about it.
Yes, that was one evil world, all right. Except for Noah, of course, the only man on earth who still loved and obeyed God.
Which makes me thankful for the Bible. What a gift to have the Word with us all the time, so we can know how to walk with God, like Noah did.
Ah, 'tis true, little buddy. But sadly, many still choose to ignore God's word and go their own way.
Right. Something's happening at the Grand Canyon. It's a tour guide. I'll open up the sound port so we can hear what he's saying.
You see this layer of rock? This is estimated to be 330 million years old. And how do we know this? Very simple, because each layer has what is called an index fossil.
Slithering sea serpent, Scuba Man! He's using circular reasoning!
Precisely, Boy Wonder. They use the fossils to date the rocks and the rocks to date the fossils. It's one of the enemy's most effective tricks. This millions of years deception has got the whole world in a headlock. Wait, what's that?
Oh, it's just a pop-up ad. Those things are so annoying. I'll get rid of it.
No, wait. It's a distress call.
Help. I've fallen and I can't get up. Your friend, Alex.
I knew we shouldn't have let her just wander off like that.
But how will we find her? She could be anywhere.
Wait, there's more. P.S. You can find me at Porpoise Cove, and please hurry.
That's strange. How did she know how to communicate with us? Something seems fishy here, Scuba Man.
Nevertheless, Boy Wonder, we mustn't take any chances.
To the scuba sub?
Oh, you read my mind, Boy Wonder.
Scuba Man, do you think you could just call me Snorkel Boy from now on? I mean, really, that Boy Wonder stuff, it's kind of embarrassing.
Well, if that's how you feel, I didn't realize you were so sensitive. And you know, Batman used it, and I just thought, oh, never mind. Come on, let's go. Try it again. Don't flood it. Easy.
Oh, deep sea disaster, Scuba Man! The battery's dead! Now what do we do?
There's only one thing to do. You get the jumper cables, I'll get the electric eel.
Right.
Yes! Our plan is working. As soon as they get their little sub fixed, they'll be on their way to Porpoise Cove, where a little surprise will be waiting for them.
And that will be the end of those simple-minded superheroes.
And then we can find Alex and rescue her from that Bible of theirs. Whew.
All right.
You know, it's been a while since I've done this. Is it stop, drop, and roll?
No. That's what you do if you're on fire. Give me those.
Oh,
I'll take care of this.
Right.
Okay, let me get the eel hooked up first. Down. Alrighty. Hold the hood up. Gotta get down to the battery. Ow! Boy Wonder, are you having another scuba snack?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Alrighty. Now go ahead and start the scuba sub and I'll disconnect the cables. Oh, nice. We've got power. There we go. All right.
To infinity and beyond!
What was that?
Oh, never mind. It wasn't important.
To Porpoise Cove!
To Porpoise Cove!
You better call them.
Hey, it's me. The terrible twosome just left, so be ready.
And tell them not to mess up this time.
And Great White says you better not mess up this time. They said not to worry.
Hey, it's they that should be worried, not me. I don't get worried. I just get hungry.
I'm gonna go over there. We've got company.
Looks more like lunch to me.
Oh, hello. I didn't know we had visitors. I'm Turtle, and I'm with the Oceanland Welcome Committee. You're new here, aren't you?
Yep. Just arrived from the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I have family off the coast of Florida. I absolutely love it up there. Ever been to SeaWorld?
Nope, can't say that I have.
Well, if you ever decide to go, just let me know, because I have some excellent discount tickets. Oh, in the meantime, here's a visitor information packet. It has info about everything to see and do in Oceanland, including a map, a calendar of events, and some money-saving coupons.
Thanks.
Oh, you're most welcome. Do you have any questions?
Yes. I was wondering where I could get something to eat. I'm starving.
My, what big teeth you have.
Oh, the better to eat you. Oh, never mind.
Well, we have some excellent restaurants. What are you hungry for?
Oh, how about turtle soup?
Turtle soup? Might I interest you in a turtle sundae instead? A new creamery opened up just around the corner. It's getting rave reviews.
Interesting idea. I've never eaten dessert first, but some ice cream does sound pretty good right now. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
You know, I don't mean to be giving you advice, but you might want to leave before he gets back.
You know, I was thinking the same thing. Thanks for the tip.
Don't mention it. Now to find Alex. Oh, splendid. Here she comes now. Well, hello there, Alex.
Who said that?
I did.
What do you want? How did you know my name?
Turtle told me. Yeah, that's it. Turtle told me.
You're friends with Turtle.
Of course. We've been buddies forever.
You're not very convincing.
You know what, Alex? I'd really like to be your friend.
No, I've never really been friends with an octopus before. I'm not so sure I trust you.
Oh, you can trust me.
You know, I think I'm going to go find Turtle.
No, you shouldn't do that. Especially at a time like this.
Time like what?
Well, it's shell inspection season. Didn't you know that?
Shell inspection season.
Yeah. Every year at this time, all the turtles in all the world are frantically getting ready to go to a certain place far, far away to have their shells inspected. Didn't you watch Finding Nemo?
Sure, I did.
Oh, where do you think all those turtles were going? You know what, Alex? We are wasting precious time when we could be getting to know each other. What's that book you got there?
Oh, that's the Bible.
Oh, blah. Scuba Man gave it to you, didn't he?
Well, yeah, how'd you know?
He gives those things to everybody. Says it's a guidebook or something. I don't even know what the big deal is. Anyway, it's super old. I sure wouldn't want one if I were you.
Really? Why not?
Simple. You don't need it, girl. You got common sense, don't you?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, if you don't know something, all you got to do is find somebody who does. Like me. I can tell you anything you need to know.
You can?
Absolutely. Here, let me just get rid of that for you. You know what, Alex? I think we are going to be really good friends.
What's that sound?
What?
What's
It couldn't be.
What's wrong?
You know what? I just remembered that I have a manicure this afternoon and I am late. Sorry, Alex. We're going to have to do this another time.
Oh, but wait. When will you come back?
Ugh.
Well, that was strange. Wow. Now that is awesome.
This
Oh, yeah. It's the Z007 GTX Turbo with power everything, cruise control, navigation, backup cameras. You know, the whole package.
Except Wi-Fi. That was extra.
That's right.
So, could you guys take me for a ride in it?
Well, I don't know, Alex. We usually don't.
Alex! Are you okay? Are you hurt?
Of course I'm okay. Why wouldn't I be?
You've had us quite worried, young lady.
How did you get back from Porpoise Cove?
Porpoise Cove? What are you guys talking about?
You mean you weren't at Porpoise Cove?
Wild underwater goose chase, Scuba Man! I just knew there was something fishy going on.
What's this? A Bible. Is this yours, Alex?
Yeah.
Why is it on the ground?
Guess I dropped it.
Oh, Alex, I don't think you realize how important this book is. It's actually the very words of God.
Well, yeah, but I've got common sense and friends to help me when I need it.
Great tidal wave of confusion, Scuba Man! If there isn't a dangerous deception going on here, my name isn't Snorkel Boy.
Precisely, Boy Wonder. Oops, sorry. Anyways, we need to figure out what this deception is and where it's coming from. Alex, I'm going to have to insist you stay inside the scuba cave until we figure this out. Snorkel Boy will escort you in. I'm going to run ahead and get started on this case right away.
You mean I get to see inside the scuba cave?
Well, it's not exactly what you're thinking. You're going to be in the protection chamber. You won't actually have access to the inner cave.
So I won't get to see all your secret stuff.
Sorry, but don't worry, Alex. The protection chamber is clean and comfortable. And it comes with a deluxe continental breakfast.
Oh, gee, I can hardly wait. So, how long do I have to stay in there?
Only until we can detect and defuse this dangerous deception. Really, Alex, it's for your own safety. Try to understand. Come on, let's go.
You know, you're right. This is no place for a kid to be wandering around by herself. Oh, look, I just noticed my shoelace is untied. So I'm going to get to that. You go on ahead and I'll just catch up with you in a second, okay?
Okay, but hurry. Alex? Alex? Where'd she go? Great! Kettle of fish! She must have run away!
What is it, Snorkel Boy?
She's gone!
Who?
Alex! Man! I can't believe I fell for that my shoelaces untied trick! She was wearing flip-flops!
We can't worry about that now, Boy Wonder. Oh, sorry. Anyways, we have to find Alex before someone or something else does. Look, you go that way, I'll go that way. She couldn't have gotten very far.
Okay.
All right. Oh.
Will our superheroes be able to find Alex this time? Will Alex meet another sneaky scoundrel? Will Scuba Man remember to stop saying, Boy Wonder? To find out, tune in tomorrow. Same scuba time, same scuba channel.
Commotion.